How to fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the Settings app on your device and scroll down and tap on Apps, and further tap on the Phone option. Now navigate to the Call Forwarding option and go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for call forwarding. Also connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network and open Settings and tap on General and then tap on About. Now, if a carrier settings update is available, you will see a prompt to update. Tap on Update to install the latest carrier settings. So this is how you can fix calls going straight to voicemail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.